Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to Growing Wisdom. Today we're talking about a little evergreen plant that's interesting all year round. So what you're looking at here is Carex Evergold. So there's many different varieties of Carex. There's Eversheen. This happens to be Evergold. And it's a simple plant. It's a low ground cover, and it's evergreen. And what I love about it is just how it gives this pop of color in the winter. So we are in early January. There's not much snow this particular year on the ground. And that's when this guy really shines, is when you don't have a lot of snow. So early winter, before you get those deep snows, or sometimes in the early part of spring as the snow's melting, this is one of the first things to reveal itself. And it can look pretty good even then. I find this particular plant does well with morning sun and some afternoon shade. I think the color looks best then. It likes things evenly moist. It doesn't want to be super wet. It doesn't want to be super dry. It's a pretty easy plant to grow. And as I step away from here, I just want you to see, as we look at a wide shot of this, just how it really does pop along the path by the pond. So Carex, it's a great plant to add to your garden. There's many different varieties. Look for a color that you love and plant them in masses. That's where they'll really shine. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.